Oh, we got a little family portrait. So many cooks. Let me guess. Let me guess who everyone is. Maximus. The barbarian from Clash of Clans. The regime cameraman. Skeletor. One Punch Man with glasses. Is this supposed to be Quackity in the Discord hoodie? Okay, nice. Quackity. Yes, this is Quackity. I know from that. Yes. Sonic? Sonic the Hedgehog? I know who this is. I know who this is. I know who this is. I would recognize this anywhere. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. They really made him... They really gave Aldo so much aura. Come on, bro. Come on. Look at him, bro. Does this look like a guy who does fentanyl? No, no. Shit, I don't know. PewDiePie. Oh, Graph. Yes, Graph. Crystal Molly, the goat with the Warhammer. Bro, Crystal Molly should be here, and Aldo should be here. That's just me stating... That's just me being honest. I don't know why Aldo's given such a set. Come on, bro. He lost. Molly deserves to be there. Is this my goat Juan, bro? This is my favorite member of the North, Juan. Okay. Shit, PewDiePie? I don't know, bro. PewDiePie. Oh, Chapo. Right, Chapo. Let's go, Chapo. Oh, Tina, of course, Tina. Yes. I haven't seen Tina, man. I messaged her today. She always gets on at a time that's too late for me, so I never get to interact with her. Except for that one time in day 2, if you guys remember. Tubbo 1. Tubbo 2. Tubbo 3. I don't know. Wait, let me think. Is this Royer? I don't know. I don't know. What is this, bro? I don't know. I'm sorry. I just don't know anyone. Guys, I swear it's just because I don't know anyone. The art is amazing. This is amazing artwork. Amazing, wonderful artwork. I just don't know people's skins. Oh, I know Foolish. This is wrong though. This is Foolish should be a jellyfish, a spineless jellyfish. That's who he is. We got support there. And then we got ha 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 ha. Estupido, who died to my blade. Ha 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 ha. I want you to notice that Foolish is sitting in front of a desk with an unsolved Rubik's Cube. Because these people can't solve any problems.
¿Cómo ha sido? ¿Cómo ha sido?
How you have gone? Or how? Oh, like what happened?
Yes, ¿lo ha matado Juan? ¿Juan kill it?
No. So, Ash.
Ash.
Oh, wait. Ash ha matado al perro.
Ha entrado... This is illegal.
Long live the regime!
Oh, no! Oh, my God!
Long live.
Wait, what's happening? What's happening? Wait, what just happened?
Bastard killed the dog!
Wait! The dog's dead!